Okay, we are going to talk about how Excel shows us some kind of where we have errors or something like that in the table. So look at here, we have the sales statistics according to the place and items, and this is the total for each column, and these are the totals for each row. And if you make a sum of them, so this is sum of column totals, then it's 1380, but the row column whole sum is from the row totals sum is different with that, but we are supposed to have exactly same answers for that, so that must be wrong. I'm sorry. And when you check the formulas, it looks like we have the same formulas for each column and for each row, right? Then whenever we have such case, look at here, there is small green triangles at the corner of this, which means Excel tells us there might be some wrong formula in there compared to the neighbor cells. So to check that part, just to click that cell, then it opens this yellow box there, right? Then move your cursor there, then actually it says the formula in this cell differs from the formulas in this area of the spreadsheet. So you might have different wrong formula in there, right? So whenever you see this notation, there's something, maybe a chance of errors in there, and click it, is an inconsistent formula. It shows what kind of errors you're expecting. Okay, so that's how you can find some different formulas. Then how can you change it? Just same thing, just click here, it says sum from B4 to B7, right? And that is from C4 to C7, and that is for D5 to D7. Okay, so it's not 4, it's starting from 5, so that's the difference. Okay, so you can check one by one like that and compare these formulas to find what is wrong about it. But there is another way you can do that, and that is under home ribbon and the sorry, it's in it's under sorry, the formulas ribbon, and when you click it, there is one of choice is phase precedence, which means how you get that result. It shows which cells you use actually. So when you after select certain cell having that kind of formula and click this one, then it shows it's from here. Okay, and when you click this one, click that, it also shows that, right? But when you click this one and click, now you see the differences over here, right? So we got this. So by this way we can check what is wrong about that. Okay, so simply from this one, just using autofill, and it got it, and everything is good, and these two results are same. So this is very handy to check with which cell's value that actually using to get the results in that cell. And this one is for where this cell value is used in other cells like that. And this one is removing that kind of errors at the end.